Imagine staring at a strange sky where the same giant planet never moves, but its moon keeps changing shape every night. Stay with me, because by the end you'll be able to read any moon phase like a cosmic clock. First, what is a moon phase? It's just how much of the moon's sunlit side we can see from where we stand. The moon itself doesn't grow or shrink, only our angle changes. Next, let's bring in that distant planet. Picture this. You're on the surface of that faraway planet. The star is your sun, the moon orbits your planet, and you're watching from the ground. As the moon goes around, the sunlight hits it differently, and you see different shapes. When the moon passes between you and the star, its lit side faces away. You see almost nothing. That's the new moon. In our alien sky, the planet glows behind it, but the moon is a dark cutout, drifting slowly across the stars. A few nights later, the moon moves along its orbit. You begin to see a thin, bright curve, a crescent. On this distant world, the crescent might hug the edge of the big planet, like a glowing smile sliding around its rim. As the moon keeps going, we reach the first quarter. You see exactly half lit, half dark, like a clean line down the middle. From orbit above the planet, it would look like a tiny half circle racing around a giant colored marble. Now comes the gibbous phase, more than half lit, not yet full. In our distant system, the moon could look like a swollen, glowing pebble, its bright side facing the star, drifting above the planet's dark night side like a hanging lantern. When the star, planet, and moon line up with the moon on the far side, you see a full moon, the entire sunlit face turned toward you. In that alien sky, it blazes like a round lantern next to the colossal disk of the planet. After full, the lit portion shrinks, waning gibbous, last quarter, then thin crescent again. On our far planet, the moon's glowing slice slowly slides and thins, like someone dimming a cosmic lamp step by step every orbit. Here's the fun part. By watching the moon's phase and its position near the planet, you could tell time, predict tides, even plan travel. On any world with a moon, phases are nature's calendar. Now imagine reading skies all across the galaxy.